PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to send money to someone here on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up, I want you to go to the home screen here, go to the top left or go to the bottom. So for example, if you go to the bottom, you can press on the blue button right here. You can go ahead and type in the username, or you can go to the top left, go to send to a PayPal account, and then go ahead and select your PayPal account. So you can select a contact or you can select the username for this example. I'm just going to go ahead and search up a name. So once the person is selected, you're going to be brought to this screen right here where you can go ahead and send an amount of money. So if you were to go ahead and send $5, for example, you can actually go ahead and see how much money that would be. So for example, if you're sending Canadian money to US dollars or vice versa, whatever the case may be, you can type that in. You can also go to the bottom here, type in a note. Once that is done, you can go ahead and press on send, and then you can send money over to that person. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to send money to someone on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.